Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something that will completely blow your mind. This is the 2026 Ferrari Gran Turismo Vita, and no, this is not a joke. This is being called the most luxurious motorhome ever imagined, and once you see what is inside, you will understand why everyone online is talking about it. Let's start with the exterior design because honestly, this thing does not even look like a motorhome. It looks like a spaceship crossed with a supercar. The front end is sculpted exactly like a Ferrari sports car, with a sharp aerodynamic nose, sweeping LED headlights, and that unmistakable Prancing Horse badge sitting right in the center of the grille. The body is finished in a stunning combination of pearl white and Rosso Corsa red, with a bold red stripe running along the entire length of the vehicle. This is not your typical boxy motorhome shape at all. The design flows like a piece of art, with smooth curves, glass balconies on the upper levels, and a panoramic rooftop that even has integrated solar panels built right into it. Now here is where things get really interesting. This vehicle rides on a massive multi-axle chassis with polished aluminum wheels and red brake calipers visible through the rims. We are talking about 10 wheels total, which gives you an idea of just how large and heavy this rolling mansion actually is. Despite its size, the engineers managed to keep the silhouette sleek and aerodynamic, which is honestly impressive for something this big. Moving to the interior, and this is where the Gran Turismo Vita truly separates itself from anything else on the road. This is essentially a 3-story luxury penthouse on wheels. As you step inside, you are greeted with floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The living area features plush red leather seating, matte black accents, and Italian-inspired minimalist styling throughout. Every single surface feels premium, from the brushed titanium trim to the quilted leather finishes that you would expect inside an actual Ferrari. The kitchen is a chef's dream. It comes with a waterfall edge quartz countertop in deep red and white marble tones, a built-in induction cooktop, and a stainless steel refrigerator with subtle red racing accents. Underneath the cabinets you get soft LED lighting that gives the whole space a warm and welcoming glow, especially in the evening. Now let's talk about the cockpit, because this is where the Ferrari DNA really shines through. The dashboard looks like it was taken straight out of a Ferrari supercar and placed into this motorhome. You get a wraparound digital instrument cluster, carbon fiber trim panels, and ambient red lighting that runs across the entire dash. The steering wheel even features the iconic Prancing Horse emblem, and the seats are wrapped in the same quilted red and black leather you see throughout the vehicle. Driving this thing must feel like piloting a private jet crossed with a race car. Heading upstairs, you will find the bedroom suite, which honestly looks more like something you would find in a 5-star hotel. There is a king-size platform bed with a tufted white and red headboard, panoramic windows offering incredible views of the outside world, and soft ambient ceiling lighting that creates a very calming atmosphere. The attention to detail here is next level, right down to the plush cream carpeting underfoot. But the real showstopper has to be the rooftop terrace. Yes, you heard that right, this motorhome has an actual rooftop terrace complete with glass railings, outdoor lounge furniture, and those solar panels we mentioned earlier. Imagine parking this thing in the mountains or along a coastline, climbing up to the roof, and relaxing outdoors while still being completely self-sufficient thanks to the built-in solar power system. Now let's move on to performance. Given the massive scale of this vehicle, you can expect an equally powerful drivetrain to move all of this weight. While official technical specifications have not been fully confirmed, based on the multi-axle configuration and the sheer size of this build, we are likely looking at some form of hybrid or electric-assisted powertrain working alongside a heavy-duty diesel or turbocharged engine. This would allow it to handle the immense weight while still delivering smooth and controlled highway performance. The solar panels on the roof also suggest that Ferrari wanted to add some level of energy efficiency into a vehicle this large, which is a smart move considering how much power something like this would require to run all of its interior systems. As for pricing, vehicles of this caliber typically fall into the ultra-luxury custom-build category, meaning the price tag would likely be in the multi-million-dollar range once fully built and equipped. This is not something you would find at your local dealership. This is the kind of vehicle that gets custom ordered by collectors, celebrities, or Ferrari enthusiasts who want the ultimate combination of comfort, luxury, and that unmistakable Ferrari badge on something completely unexpected. So what do you think about the 2026 Ferrari Gran Turismo Vita? Would you want to travel the world in a motorhome like this, or does it feel a bit too extreme for everyday use? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video and subscribe to MH Car Review for more incredible car content just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.